Well, guys, we have a new Dominus, and it is 13,000 Robux with almost 200 sales. And as you guys can see, I have, okay, let me fix this. And let's try it on. Now, in my opinion, this is not the coolest one, but just the name Dominus is really crazy, and if this does go limited, you will make a lot of money back. I have 7,000 Robux. And this will get me to be able to buy it. And there we go. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? I don't have enough. Okay. Alright. It's alright. All good. That won't get me enough either. Oh my gosh. Okay, what am I doing? Alrighty, guys. So let's refresh. Give it a second. 199, okay, 226. Okay, that would have been pretty cool if we had the 200th one. But let's take a look at some of the owners. Owners that inventory hidden. I didn't even know you could do that. Okay. See, a lot of people are wearing this. But like I said, it doesn't really look that cool. But screw it. Guys, we have a Dominus. That is actually crazy. This is the first Dominus I've ever had. It costs so much money though. So yeah, guys, let's hop in a game. Alrighty, so we're loading in. Let's get ready to take a look at this. Alright, it does look a little bit cooler in game, in my opinion. I do think that it's kind of like short. Like, I feel like it should be a little bit taller. But guys, we do have a Dominus. I'm gonna experiment with different character creations after this video. But yeah, guys, I'm not really sure what else to put it. That was a lot of money that I just spent right there out of my own money. So, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, stay tuned for more videos. So, I will be wearing this for my next few videos. I'm not really sure what I'm going to do with it, if it'll be my new permanent avatar, but I know if this does go limited, I will have an opportunity to probably make a lot of that Robux back. I'm not really sure though, because Roblox hasn't made any new limiteds in a long time, but every single Dominus that's out right now, besides the event one, I believe, or all the ones that cost Robux to get, are limited. I'm 99% sure. So maybe I will be able to get a lot more back. One thing I would change is the eyes. The eyes are pretty small in my opinion, but you know, all in all, it is a Dominus, and it is pretty awesome. So yeah, guys, hope you guys enjoy. This is the biggest purchase I've ever done on Roblox. So yeah, hope you guys did enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more amazing videos. Check out my Discord server. Link in the description below, along with my fan groups and fan shirts. They're amazing. Help me get some of the Robux back that I just spent for this. But yeah, guys, have a good one. Peace.